will take up. So let's start with something simple. So I want to find what are I have a few elements in my array. Okay, so I list down the array in something like this. So I have created a class here, and I have this public static void main. It is a starting point, and public means it is available outside the code. No need. It is outside. It is available outside this particular class. Static means this is shared among all the objects, and void is no return type. Main is the name of. This is called as command line arguments, where we can pass the values at the runtime. Okay, so whatever we write within the curly brackets of the main will be belonging to the main. So one curly bracket, if you highlight, the other one will be highlighted for you. So here is an array ARR, and I want to find which is the largest element of this particular array. So how am I initializing the array? It is by giving all these values. Here I have not mentioned any size. You can give the size of the array also, and you can initialize the values of the array. So now I know that 75 is the largest among all these arrays, all these numbers. So it is an int array, and how I try to find what should be the logic, how you have to start thinking. So basically I will consider one of the elements as max. Okay, let the first element be the maximum element or the largest element. We will assume that first element is itself the largest element. So we will initialize, we will take a temporary variable saying max equal to 25. Then we will have to write a loop saying that for every element start from 0 till the array length. So length is nothing but it will go to the complete length of the array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th element until the 5th element. Array length is nothing but 5. Go on incrementing the value. Then how you have to compare the elements? So check at each position. So it will go to the first position. If it is greater than the max, then change the value of max to whatever is there in that position. Then max will hold the largest number. If it does not have, then it will remain as 25 itself, whatever I have assigned previously. Then once it completes, so likewise it goes through all the elements. First element it will compare with 25. It is equal. This if condition will not be executed. Next time 25 will be compared with 11. So again this is failing. 11 is not lesser than 25. So again if condition will not be executed. Likewise 7 is also not lesser than. Now it comes to 75. 75 is greater than 25. So now max value will become 75. Okay, again 75 will be compared with, now max value is 75. 75 will be compared with 56. So again this if condition will fail. So we found that 75 is the largest among all these elements, and it will do a system.out.println saying max element is 75. This is about the arrays. I'm just executing. Sorry. So largest element is 75. Similarly, if you want to find the smallest element, then just change the symbol on the other side. Then it becomes the smallest element. So smallest element is 7 in this case. According to me, it should work. See, only by changing the symbol, it will just work and say 7 is the smallest element this time. I did not change the message there. Let's keep it as it is. Then this is a concept on arrays. Then exceptions.